So I'm going to get started with the product that I'm going to apply. I've obviously cleansed before coming on, didn't want to do it on camera. So it's really important to double cleanse your skin before you do home rollering, that you're not going to be rolling any dirt into the skin, especially if you have makeup on. You probably want to be doing three cleanses before home rollering, because I generally recommend doing a double cleanse regardless of wearing makeup or not. But before home rollering, if you're wearing makeup, cleanse 3 times. If not, 2 should be enough.
My name is Caroline Hooper, Certified Skin and Laser Specialist, and I'm also Clinical Director of a chain of clinics across Dublin. If you're interested in microneedling, check out the link below and get your microneedling ebook, which I've provided for you completely free. Welcome back to another tutorial, and if you're new, please subscribe.
Just to make sure you're getting any of the oil, debris, any environmental pollution off the skin, so you're not going to be rolling that into the skin. So the product that I'm going to be using today is different to the one that I used the last time, if anybody did tune into that video. I'm going to be using the Illuma Intense Lightening Serum, which is one of my favourite products right now. The reason why I'm going to be using this one today is because I do suffer with pigmentation. I'm sure you can see it there, I won't go too close. But this is going to help to suppress melanocytes and to balance out the production of melanin in my skin, so that when I am exposed to the sun, UVA rays, which is present every day, which is what ages our skin, my melanocytes aren't going to overactivate, because this is going to balance them out and they're not going to overproduce that pigmentation. Before I use, and I've sworn by and always use and still will use, hyaluronic filler, which is one of the top products to use for home rollering or for professional rollering. It's natural to the skin, it binds itself 1,000 times in water, and it's great for just giving the skin like hydration and plumping out. So yeah, this is what I've used up to now, and today it's my first time to roll with the Intense Lightening Serum. I will go through some frequently asked questions throughout the video on rolling, on home rollering especially.